Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera. Right now we are in the standard photo mode. You can switch to the video one, yes, we were on the video mode. You can switch to the photo one. However, it doesn't really matter because we will reset in general settings. So we have to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner and then tap on more settings again in the right upper corner. Now let's scroll all the way down and tap on restore defaults. Tap on confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and here we've got the information about the location, and basically this is our evidence that the reset option worked, because this is the statement, the agreement that will show that will be shown when you're opening the camera for the very first time. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.